Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Docusign account. If you've decided you no longer need Docusign services, this process will help you permanently close your account. First, open your web browser and type in docusign.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. This step ensures you're accessing the right account that you want to close. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar on your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Admin. Click on it to access the administrative settings for your account. This section houses all the crucial management tools you'll need for account level changes. Now look over to the left sidebar of the admin panel. You'll see various menu options listed there. Find and click on Plan and Billing. This is where Docusign keeps all the financial and subscription related settings for your account. It's also the gateway to account closure options. Within the Plan and Billing section, you'll need to locate and click on Close Account. This button initiates the account deletion process. It's designed to be straightforward, but keep in mind that clicking it will start a series of confirmations to ensure you really want to proceed. Once you've clicked Close Account, another prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click Close Account again. Docusign uses multiple confirmation steps as a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, so you'll need to verify your choice more than once. Finally, you'll see one last confirmation button labeled Terminate My Account. Click on it to complete the process. This final step officially closes your Docusign account and removes all associated data permanently. And there you have it, your Docusign account is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.